Hello and welcome to the opening bell. My name is Isaac, and in this video we will recap the monthly stock market recap of the month of May 1st through May 31st, 2023. So let's get started. For this video, we will not be recapping the weekly reports. Instead, we will be recapping the stock market action of the month of May. However, first I would like to show you what my current dashboard looks like before we dive into the charts. Again, I'm using the TD Bank Stock Market Simulator. We will start with Marriott. I own 28 shares in Marriott, and I paid for it at a price of $169.33, and its last price was $176.41. I have a profit on Marriott with $198.14 overall on Marriott. And my next stock that I'm going to talk about is Disney. I own 130 shares of Disney, and I paid for the price of $106.14, and its last price was $89.65. Disney is by far my worst stock, with the only stock that I have a loss in. I have a loss of $2,143.23 on Disney. The next stock that I'm going to talk about is Microsoft. I own 30 shares of Microsoft, and I paid for the price of $383.13. And its last price was $337.27. I have a $1,624.20 profit on Microsoft, making it one of my best stocks I own. In fact, it's my second best stock that I own, and it is one of the 4 tech stocks I own, and one of the best stocks that I have bought overall. And the next stock that I'm going to talk about is Apple. I own 20 shares of Apple. I paid for the price of $147.80, and its last price was $183.11. I have a profit of $706.20 on Apple, making it one of my really good stocks that I own, and one of the best tech stocks that I own overall. And Apple will soon be coming out with the new headset that will be coming out soon for Apple, and so that might also cause really good profits overall for the tech stock. And Nvidia, with quantity share, I own 20 shares of Nvidia. I paid for the price of $272.30, and its last price was $388.59. I have a profit of $2,324.50 on Nvidia. And the last stock that I'm going to talk about is Alphabet. I own 20 shares of Alphabet, and I paid for the price of $101.34, and its last price was $126.19. I have a profit of $496.91 on Alphabet. To round out the 6 stocks I own overall, for all my stocks I own overall. So overall, really good month overall for all these stocks, except we'd say Disney, not really a good month. And we're going to talk about how each of these stocks performed in their own separate charts, starting with Marriott. Here's the monthly recap of the charts and the monthly chart for Marriott. As we can see, it starts the month at, we say if this continues down, starts the month at around $175. It is going to continue. It is going to have a little upward glance to start the month, and from then it's going to take a little dip. Once it takes that dip, it will go up again. We'll have a high of the month at above $180. This will be around in the middle of May 18th towards May 19th. After that, we're going to see a huge dip for a high of above 180 to a low of a little less than $170. From then, Marriott is going to start going up again towards we end May and begin June. It's going to continue on that. Let me make that arrow better. It's going to continue on that good profit overall to end the month at a trading price of around $176.41 overall. So a pretty steady month for Marriott. Not that big of profit. Not that big of a profit, and it looks like not that much of a loss as well. So overall, a pretty steady and even month for Marriott. And as we continue into June, we know that summer is coming up, and with a lot of families will start to be traveling around to travel destinations, and Marriott is one of the biggest vacation and travel hotel brands there is. So this might cause Marriott to go up even more and continue that surge that it started towards the end of May and the beginning of June. So a really good stock in Marriott, and we hope it continues going up. Here's the monthly recap and chart for Disney. As we can see, it starts the month at around $100, and it is going to continue. It is going to take a little steady note, and then on around May 10th towards May 11th and around May 12th, it is going to take on those course of the days, it is going to start taking a dip. This dip will take it from a price of above $100 to a price at a little more than $90, in between $90 and $95, giving it a pretty around maybe like a $6 or $7 dip in that trend. And from then it is going to gradually continue sloping down. It will continue that slope all the way until the end of the month, where it will end the month at $89.65 in the beginning of June. So an overall really bad month for Disney. When I first bought Disney, it went up, and then it just from then as always has gone down, and always going down overall for Disney, with a huge loss overall for Disney. Of course, it's reportings of losing a lot of subscribers on its TV and entertainment viewing website and app of Disney Plus. With Disney Plus losing subscribers had caused a lot of money loss for Disney, making it go down with a huge loss overall to give Disney a not a really good month of May. Here's the chart for Microsoft. As we can see, it starts the month at a little around $310. And from then, Microsoft is just going to shoot straight up with a huge profit. It's going to continue that profit all the way until we get to, and then all the way going up with really good stock prices starting at around May 10th towards May 11th. And from then, it's going to continue. It's going to start that profit going up, and it will never stop that profit overall, with some dips in the middle. However, overall, those profits cancel those dips out, and it's giving it an overall really good profit for Microsoft, ending the trading month at around $337, $337.27 exactly, to be precise, around that price right there for Microsoft. So an overall really good profitable month for the tech company as it continues to bring its search engine Bing into AI along with all of its computers Microsoft has produced. Artificial intelligence is becoming a really big part of Microsoft's company overall, and this probably has caused a really good profit overall for the tech company, giving it a profitable month in the month of May. So good job to Microsoft. Here's the monthly chart for Apple. This is the 1 month chart for Apple. As we can see, it starts the month at a little less than $174, maybe around $173 right there. And from then it's going to take not that much action to start the month, and as we get to around the end of May, maybe around May 24th, it is going to start that huge profit going straight up. It will end the month at $183.11, giving Apple a really good profitable month overall, with not that much action to start the month, but a huge profit to end the month overall. And in fact, on Monday, June 5th, is the day that Apple is set to release its new headset its new mixed reality headset, and this could cause even more profits overall for Apple, with an overall really good profit overall, ending the trading month at $183.11, giving it a really good profit overall. So props to Apple, and we hope it continues this remarkable surge into the summer. Here's the monthly chart for NVIDIA. As we can see, it starts the month at a little less than $300. We can say maybe around $290. And from then, NVIDIA, not that much action to start the month. We see pretty steady prices, not that much fluctuating prices overall. And then on around towards May 25th, May 24th of May, it is going to start surging upwards. And we're going to see this really good surge up for NVIDIA. And as we did see with Apple, steady prices to begin the month, but then a really good profit and surge to end the month. And it's going to start the surge at a little less than $300 and we'll end the surge as we go up all the way to around $400 overall. And this has to do with because in the middle of May, NVIDIA had announced its really good quarterly earnings, and so we see that $100 profit overall for NVIDIA. So anybody that owned NVIDIA probably made a lot of money from that overall from really good earning reports, and it will end the trading month at $380.59, making probably, and it's probably really likely that May will probably be NVIDIA's best trading month of the year of 2023. In fact, maybe if not one of the best months overall for NVIDIA. Of course, we see that $100 profit so overall, and so props to NVIDIA on really good quarterly earnings this month. So overall, a really good stock in NVIDIA. Here's the monthly recap of the 1 month chart for Alphabet. As you see, it starts the trading month at around $105. From there, right off the bat, it is going to start that really huge profit overall for Alphabet, and will continue that profit all the way up, and it will never stop that profit. It will continue going. It never takes a huge dip overall. It will end the trading month at around a little more than $125 to be precise, $126.19. So overall for Alphabet, a really good trading month overall with a huge profit. Of course, with artificial intelligence getting involved, as it was with Microsoft, this probably has caused a really huge profit for CEO of Alphabet, Sundar Pichai's Alphabet company. With AI coming out, this remarkably and probably in factly did cause a huge profit, and it probably will continue to take that profit all the way into June, July, and August and forward till the end of the year. So an overall really good month for Alphabet. Your story of the month is in green this week. We are going to talk about how well my 4 tech stocks I own performed this month. You might not be able to see it really well, but this stock right here is Microsoft. This stock right here is Apple. This stock right here is NVIDIA. And this stock right here is Alphabet. And off the bat, we can see really good profits overall for these 4 tech stocks. We're going to see Microsoft go straight up. We're going to see Apple go straight up. We're going to see NVIDIA go straight up. We're going to see Alphabet go straight up overall, following a really good path overall. And so all these 4 tech stocks, these are the 4 tech stocks I own, and they are for sure one of the most traded stocks on the stock market, on the New York Stock Exchange. And so these stocks performed really well overall with huge profits. Overall this month, showing you that tech stocks do have huge profits. So if you are an investor, I strongly recommend trading with tech stocks. It's proven right here. The 6 stocks I own are tech stocks, and they all had huge profits this month. So this is really interesting overall. So a really good trading month for tech stocks overall, and for NASDAQ stocks probably all in general. Thank you for watching this recap of the stock market month of May 2023. I hope you enjoyed the recap. I will continue posting stock market recaps weekly. Thanks.